Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to install an SSL certificate using SiteGround Hosting in about 10 seconds. The first thing you're going to do is go to your website, which will be installed here in the back office. Click on Manage, click on Site Tools. Next we're going to, in the left-hand column, click on Security, and then SSL Manager. The domain will be selected here. If you have other ones, you can select it from the drop down. For the SSL certificate, I'll just go with Let's Encrypt. Go ahead and click Get. And what this is going to do is it's automatically going to install the SSL for you. And then the next step after that SSL is installed is to enforce the HTTPS, meaning it makes all of the images and pages and everything on the site force that S at the end, so that you always get the lock icon in the browser, and so that it is confirmed that it has been installed correctly. Well, it looks like this took more than 10 seconds, didn't it? Once this processes, I will show you the next step. Let's Encrypt is installed, so you can either click on these three dots and click Enforce HTTPS, or you can just click on this over here and toggle that switch on, and magically you have just installed a SSL certificate on your domain. So I hope that was helpful. And if you'd like to sign up for SiteGround Hosting, I'm going to place an affiliate link in the description below. It's my favorite web host. I use it for all my websites. They have top-notch support. Their back office is extremely easy to navigate, much easier than every other web host that I've ever used. And I've been doing web design across many web hosts for many years. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, just leave it down below in the comments. Cheers.